SCP-173 spotted.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Michigan State Police and an undisclosed authority. At 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a creature broke out of a lab in an undisclosed part of Michigan and has killed many residents. The creature is a sculpture constructed of concrete and rebar with krill and brand spray paint. It is capable of moving at high speeds and will kill by either snapping at the base of the skull or strangulation. It is incapable of moving when in a direct line of sight. Line of sight must not be broken at any time with it. If you see this creature, try as hard as you can to not blink, and call 911.
H worth $600.
Law enforcement situation. Stay in your homes until further notice. The creature, which will now be referred to as 173, has killed many residents in Michigan, and reports have been made in surrounding states. To prevent further loss of life from 173, all residents receiving this message are required to stay in their homes. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
Addendum 1. On the SCP-173 appeared to multiply, producing 2 identical copies. Shortly after this, a second multiplication event occurred. SCP-173-1 through -4 are to be each contained as per original containment procedures. At least 61 copies of SCP-173 are as of now unaccounted for. It is unknown how they replicated so fast, or how they replicate at all.
Kids speak for 1,000, please.
Poogles, Quiggles, and Cougras are 3 types of these pets that have their own website. Josh.
What are Neopets?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Columbus Police Department with conjunction with the Michigan State Police Department. This is an update to the 173 situation. 173 has reportedly multiplied, and as of now, 72 copies have been created. If you see one of these copies, or multiple, call 911. Do not be afraid to use weapons. Stay tuned to local media.